Here we go. There we go. Oh, Michael, look at this. Oh, man. Oh, he's a big fish. He's a big, big fish. I'm trying. There he goes. Oh, new personal best right here, dude. All right, we're out here at another creek close to home, probably about 25 minutes down the road. Got my brother with me, Mike. His channel is Mike D TV. Today we're going for rock bass, smallmouth bass, spotted bass, whatever will bite, really. Man, you know they're stacked up under there. Oh yeah. Got one. There we go. Rock bass. First fish of the day. All right. The Helgermite delivers again. Oh. This is gonna have to be the official Dixon Outdoors fish right here. As many as I catch of these. There's a bite. Ready? Got him. There we go. I can tell it's a little rock bass without even seeing him. Yep. Number 2. Barely had him. Look at that. It might be lazy to keep using the same bait over and over, but they just keep biting it, so. It works. If we don't find nothing good down here, Michael, we'll go upstream where I caught those bass last time. Here's another hole up here. There's a bite. This is cool right here. Look at this. Whoa, it's deep right here. Whoa, look at this. Hey, be careful. These rocks are slick. Oh, dude. Oh, I got one. Big one. Oh, nice. What do we got? This is a smallmouth. Hurry up. He's going to get off, Michael. You got to hurry up. He's coming up right here. Go. Go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. He's big. He's big. Big smallmouth. What is that? Spotted bass? Whoa! Yeah, oh no! He swam to that log. Look at that. Let me see if I can get him in. Come here, man. Got him. Now. Oh man, All right. There we go. I don't know how dark it is here, but oh man, look at him. It's a nice fish right there. All right, back in he goes.
Fish of the day so far.
Fish of the day. Still got my bait.
My camera's on.
Yeah, right.
My camera on?
Yeah. There we go. Got him. There we go.
Same one?
No. Rock bass. All right, we're on the fish now. I should have took a picture of that guy, but I wasn't really thinking. All right. Oh, yeah. Here we go. This is the spot right here. Nice little hole right here. There we go.
Oh, come back for it.
Oh, we're both on. Look at that.
Doubles.
Smallmouth from Michael, rock bass from me. Look at this.
Abe at the same time. Shit. Back.
Open that mouth. Open that mouth.
Let's do it again.
There
I
he
don't know
is.
what you call these things. This is one of those mystery tackle box deals, but he hammered it. It was like that one missed him.
Yeah, I saw them all chasing it.
I'll take it.
They were fighting over it.
Right there, get black bows right there.
Look how pretty this is. So clean, man.
Find those snakes.
No, but these pools should be prime right here. Watch your shadow. All right, this is gonna get me hung up, but there's big fish in there. I just know it. Got him. Nice. Nice. Oh, 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 no. I saw him come up, dude. He might be stuck. I'm gonna have to go in there and get him.
Break off the whole lure?
No, yeah, the lure. He did. Damn.
Rock bass or
No, it was a big old smallmouth. Man,
fly something?
I'm gonna have to come back to get that fish now. He's got my lure in his mouth. It'll be there when I come back. When I catch him, he'll still have that in his mouth. Got him. Got him back. Got him back. Let's see. Surely not. This one's not that big. Oh, come here.
Get a hold of him. Love him.
He's not the one. He's pretty though. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Nice. I gotta go back and get his big old friend. Oh, I almost just fell.
I'm gonna buy a video game interface for me and Miles. If we can start doing that too.
Here we go, right here. Got him. Got him. Oh, smallmouth. He's upset. Look at him. He's mad. He's angry. Oh, he's biting me and everything. Look at him. Pissed off. Look at him. Yeah, I know. You're a cool looking fish though. Go on. Oh. Alright. I'm climbing up on the brush pile and getting serious about this. Alright guys. I'm gonna get a little, oh my god, that was a big spider. Oh, I'm all about it. Look at me. Holy shit. How did I manage that? Here we go. There we go. Oh, Michael, look at this. Oh, man. Oh, he's a big fish. He's a big, big fish. I'm trying. There he goes. Oh, new personal best right here, dude. Too big. Oh no. Oh yeah. Dude. Now. Hellgrammite all day, dude. Oh man. Guys, look at that fish. Look at that fish. Oh man. Now that is a nice bass right there. That's the fish of the day. There he goes. Look at him. Big old fish. Another one in front of me. There we go. Another one. He's stuck on something. What is he stuck on? Michael, look at this. I got a fish and he's stuck on a piece of wood down here. I can see him. Smallmouth, there he goes. Come on. Come on out. Yeah! Dude! I got him out of the log. You're kidding me. Look at him. Look at this fish. You thought you were getting away. You thought if you dove under that log, you'd be safe. But you were wrong. He thought he was safe. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's a little tiny, I guess it's a log or a branch or something under the water. He dove under that immediately, and I was able to walk upstream and pull him underneath. Thought he was safe. You're never safe from me, my man. Look at him. All right, buddy. Well, guys, looks like this is gonna be the end of the trip for today. We're back at the bridge. The truck's right up there. Had a pretty good day out here. Caught a lot of different fish. Came out with my brother, Mike, back there. Mike D TV on YouTube. That's his channel. Walked for 3 or 4 hours. Caught some good fish and had a good time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.